Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Pruner with Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply a ball of foot cushion to your foot whenever you do it yourself. All right, so these ball of foot cushions, they can come in 2 to a pack. They come in thick and in thin. This is one of the thicker ones. Sometimes whenever you use these, a thinner one to start is easier to transition to a thicker one. And the reason you need them is because you're having pain directly underneath the balls of your foot here. And so the point of these is not to put them on the balls of the foot. That's actually going to increase pressure. You actually want to place them right behind the balls of the foot to where whenever you stand, it will offload the ball of your foot exactly. And so you'll have less pressure and the weight of your body will be distributed to the back. If you have any questions about how to apply any of these devices, you can give us a call at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, or if you're in the Dallas area, go ahead and schedule an appointment with us today and we can take care of all of your needs.